Hello guys, what's going on guys? My name is Sabneet. We are here today guys. I will be teaching you how you can box a School Chromebook in 2023. So, I made 2 tutorials recently, you guys can check it out. I will put those in the description. So yeah guys, alright guys, so what you want to do ahead and do is go ahead and go on to No Hope. So I have put this in the description. So if this does not work for you guys, I will put the link these links right here directly to the description. Yeah, so first thing you want to do is ahead and go on to proxies. So you are just going to load up to this page right here. So once you do that, yeah, what you are going to see is ultraviolet. So what you want to do is click on link 2 or link 3. So the link 1 work for you can that, but URL for me, I have to click link 2 or link 3. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so once you clicked on the link, what you want to go ahead and do is URL type in any website that you guys want to do. So for you example, if where to type in working IT. Alright, you see a box. So URL for if I were to type in working IT right now, see inbox. So URL, yeah, this is a really good tutorial. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I make sure guys leave a like and subscribe and tell me guys if guys want me to unblock anything else. I will put a comment below this description. So yeah, see you guys.